Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you love to make in your kitchen. Anyway, I have this beautiful oxtail which I just brought from there, the meat shop, my local meat shop. I decided to give you guys a beautiful marinating of the oxtail and how you can, marinate it and put it into your fridge. I did quite a few videos, but I like to keep you guys updated and what's going on in the kitchen. So basically, when you're marinating your oxtail, what you can do, you can put it into your fridge or whatever you want to do with it, or your freezer and use it wherever you want to use it. But put it in the fridge, use it in 24 hours, you're beautiful and good to go and perfectly marinated. So follow me on Instagram where I like to post my recipe, or on my website chefricardo.co.uk, and get the ingredients. I'm gonna put all of the ingredients which I use. So guys, thank you so much. If it doesn't see it in the description box, go over to my Instagram, guys. I need to start following. Go to my Instagram, all right, and follow Chef Ricardo. I love you all. Stay tuned. Don't forget to click right over here. This is the oxtail. I wash it off into some lemon juice, all right, or you can use white vinegar, whatever you like to use. Wash your meat, So right here I have 3 cloves of garlic. Right, I'm gonna simply use my garlic press. Look at that, beautiful. Take up everything off the table. Nice one. So that's the garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. That's what you want to do first, all right, is to put on some garlic. Remember how to get the beautiful garlic press. Go to Chef Ricardo website and get this beautiful, amazing garlic press to work with at home. Nice one. Secondly, I have some fresh thyme. I love to use my fresh ingredients, so I'm gonna put on some fresh ingredients on it first. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Once you put on the fresh ingredients, it's simple. I'm using a spoon at the moment. All right, that's all that beautiful fresh ingredients I've been using. Secondly, I'm gonna get my natural green season and I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of the green season. Chef Ricardo green season, one of the best in the world. Alright, you guys know where to get it recipe? Go to Chef Ricardo website or on my YouTube channel, the recipe how to make this beautiful and amazing green season. Alright, this one is simple. Rub up that beautiful green season all over it. Secondly, I got a medium size. So I got 1 medium size white onion right here. Which I'm gonna be using. One spring onion. Secondly, what we're gonna do is just rub up all of this natural seasoning all over it. You know what I mean? That's what you want to do first. Get that beautiful natural green season. Once you do that, then secondly, I got some garlic powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. Not to use much. That's, you know what I mean, tip of it. Secondly, this is some chicken seasoned chicken and steak. You can use it for any kind of meat you like to use that. But it doesn't matter with this one. This is just like dry herbs inside of it. You got herbs, you got peppers and all different kind of stuff. Right over here I have some all-purpose season, which I want to use at least 2 teaspoons of all-purpose season. I'm using the teaspoon. Put that one side. I'm gonna put some paprika. And also I'm gonna put some black pepper. And some herbs. This is just mixed herb. And some browning. I'm gonna use roughly about a tablespoon of browning first. Alright. Secondly, I have some ketchup which I want to use on it. I'm going to put roughly about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Let's give it a lovely mix, as you can see. I'm doing right here. Really nice and lovely. Look at that. Fantastic and amazing. Don't, oh, Chef Ricardo, that look black. It doesn't black, you know what I mean? Yeah. Really nice. So as I can see, I'm gonna just simply transfer it into another bowl. Okay, guys can see. Look at that beautiful oxtail. Look at it. Amazing. So that look nice and beautiful, yeah. Fantastic and amazing. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. With Chef Ricardo, got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As I can see, beautiful oxtail recipe once again in the kitchen. All right, it does not black. You know, they look like it black. You know what I mean? I just put a large tablespoon of browning on it. All right, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo.